Lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Beans and carrot and paneer.
You like them?
Yes.
Paneer, naakledu paneer. Special for you. Totokura pappu, dondakai vepudu, and best part, homegrown mangoes. Mango dina?
No, but after some time I'm gonna drink mango lassi.
It is so yum, you should have it. Where is paneer? I didn't get paneer, you got paneer. Lucky fool. Yeah, nice summer day. Totokura pappu, nee olive fry unte inka baagundedi, but that's okay. Dondakai vepudu. More than all, mangoes, those homegrown mangoes, man. Lovely. Unfortunately, this year, a lot of those got wasted due to insects, due to pests. So we have only few. But out of those few, they are the sweetest that I've tasted. They are naturally grown. The tree has been here for a long, long time. And what better way to enjoy a nice meal than Suju's wedding. Unfortunately, missed that, but good to see all the fun. Hope you guys also saw the wedding. It was so much fun, but missed it, yeah. Missed it big time. Spending time with friends and especially at these events. I don't know what you call this in English, but Suju was my thodu pelli koduku for my wedding, so wanted to be there at his wedding so much because of the current lockdown and pandemic. Couldn't go, but at least we got to see you in the video. So you should also watch it in case you haven't. And talking about watching, the weather is kind of mixed. It's 37 degrees, feels 37, but look at those clouds. There is a cyclone near Andhra Orissa border. Maybe because of that, it's just too humid. But if you remember, when I got my Nexon EV, and in case you're new to this channel, go check out the previous videos and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. But for all those existing subscribers, you know that I have an Nexon EV. The first few days when I got the Nexon EV, I was so excited because I want traffic. Because in traffic, the range was much higher than, let's say, on an open highway. Similarly, I want more sun now because we have a solar panel and we are generating a lot of power to the grid. Over the last 2 weeks, this is the amount of power that we generated. For this month, it's not technically free power yet, but on a full month, I think we will generate enough power worth almost 3,500 to 4,500 rupees. The power generation varies based on weather conditions, and even if it's fully hot and clear skies, sometimes the power varies too because of the radiation of the sun. This is the app that's provided by the inverter that comes with the solar panels. Current power is 4.09 kilowatts. Total today is almost 22 kilowatt hours. Open the charts. So today that's the power generation. The highest today was 4.45. It stays up to 5 kilowatts. It can go up to 5.5. You see this? So that's almost 1341 rupees and 40 paise. That's how much we generated since May 11th. So that's almost 2 weeks of power generation. So in 2 weeks, roughly around 1340 rupees is what we have generated. This can go up and down. Imagine over a period of 30 days, it can be around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. Typically, that's our current bill. In summers, it's much higher, 5,500, 6,000 because we use ACs and all. For a lot of you who have been asking me, what are the solar panels? What is the inverter brand that I got? The distributor decides which one you get, which is better for your requirements, and also availability matters a lot. Some of these come from China, some of these are locally made, subsidies vary a lot. That's a complicated topic, so let your distributor decide. Find a good reputed distributor, unlike the first time where I had an issue. But we used Onyx Solar brand. The panels are from China, most of the panels come from there. It is a 465 watt panel. That's why the size difference between my old 1 kilowatt panel and the 3 and the current panels is so different, because the old panels were 250 watt capacity. This is a 465 watt capacity. That's how much technology has improved. And the inverter is SE Energy. You get Greentech and other brands also which are well reputed, so do your research. Anyway, covered most of the details in the previous video, so don't want to go into much detail, but I want more sun. I want to see how, if you have clear skies, it varies. The highest that the panel generated so far is around 4.85 kilowatt hours, so that's pretty good, but I think on average, if it generates 25 kilowatts per day, I think that should be sufficient enough for my current bills. Anyway, we'll finish Suju's wedding. I got to see only bits here and there in the live stream and now the video. Also in the evening, I'll probably do a small gameplay video from the PS5. I'm still figuring out how to record it and get it to you guys. I'm playing F1 quite a lot. In fact, yesterday I played F1 for almost 6 hours. Started my own team, started learning the tracks and the controls and all, but it was so addicting and draining. You lose track of time so much, it's kind of bad too. So you need to have a control or a restraint on how long you play. But we have a lockdown, what can I do? Videos, some office work here and there occasionally, and then PS5. That's the only entertainment for me, because even on OTT, not many new movies. If you have any new suggestions for movies, let me know in the comment section. Let's see some gameplay in action. Okay, this is the startup of Formula 1 2020 series, not the 21. Let me skip this part. Unfortunately, this is recording at 1080p because 4K mein the format's different and I can't export or edit it in Final Cut. I've created a team, so I'm the owner of the team and also one of the drivers. So we'll continue with that. I've already finished 3 rounds and I'm leading the championship. The settings are very basic. I haven't at an amateur level, so you have a lot of driver assists. You have practice 1, practice 2, practice 3. If you're following Formula 1, you'd know qualifying and race. I finished practice 1. In the top menu, you get messages from my team, some more details into the ownership of the Formula 1 team. This is how the power unit gearbox is performing. That's the weekend tire allocation. And that's the current standings. Driver standings, I'm at the top, 61. My team, Forza Crazy, is having 61 points. Okay, let's get to the practice session. So you need to finish all these tasks: track acclimatization, tire management, fuel management, ERS management, qualifying pace run, race strategy. These are all the things you need to finish in the practice session before you go to qualifying. Once you finish these objectives, you get resource points through which you can do some upgrades or R&D. Let's try qualifying pace and see how it is. So when you click a task, you get the options to change the tire compounds. Let's do a qualifying lap. We have a flying lap. 1, go.
Okay, this is a quali sim. We've estimated the times our closest rivals will be doing, so that's what we need to beat.
Overshot the corner a bit, lacking some traction, but this is the home straight. Okay, now the time starts. You see those braking guides are useful. You can accelerate a bit too wide on that corner, but this is always tricky, man. And I'm driving at an amateur level. Imagine without any aids. Kind of cut short that corner, and in the top right you can see that I made up some time. Out. Still 1 second down from the target time. That's good, but went outside the track limits. This is almost a no brake zone area. You can go full throttle. I like this stretch. Straight, no tension. They're in the DRS zone. This is a tough braking section. Almost full slow. This is where a lot of overtakes can happen. Final corner. I hit that pole. That's okay. These are excused in practice.
Complete and a job well done. We got some excellent data with that run, so come on back to the garage and I can talk you through the numbers.
Okay, so we exceeded the target. The best time is 140. In fact, estimated lap time is 142. So we did well actually. That's quite a good lap. Chalo. Now I'll do some race strategy laps, because in the team objectives, I still need to optimize the fast sector 1. Once that's done, we are good with the objectives. and then we'll go for the qualifying and race. I'm leading the race, but there seems to be small power unit issue, so have to coast in the corners, can't use the full power while not losing time. Luckily I built up enough lead where I can probably take care of that. Let's see the last 3 corners. Hopefully I can coast a bit, but 2.3 seconds. Can probably see in the mirror. The final corner, man. Yes, I think we have the race. After almost 4 attempts.
Everything we wanted today.
The faces on our top 3 look so incredibly happy as they
Yeah,
make their
that's
way
me.
up to the podium. A much-deserved victory and a brilliant performance from them all.
Nice to see the Indian flag up the podium. That's rare. Anyway, it was tricky but fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night and take care, guys.